I'm making this video to show you a micro HDMI to HDMI cable running from my tablet over to the TV. So this is like an alternative to using the Chromecast, because we always had the disconnecting issues. You can see it looks really good up there. I had to adjust some display settings on the tablet to make the output match up really well to the TV. But the micro USB, I'm going to unplug it for a second. I don't know if it can be seen. I'm trying to get it so you can see it in the light. It looks just like a HDMI cable, except real tiny. So you have the cable here. I can't get it to focus, of course. I want to, but you get the idea. It's micro HDMI to HDMI. I plug that in here, and it goes to the TV. So, pretty cool.